How does a modern dentist practice get higher quality, more quality reviews on Google? That's the holy grail, right, from a search perspective and also from a consumer influence perspective. I would say, though, it starts with leadership in the practice. And we were talking about this off camera before the interview. I think one of the big things that's missing in educating the modern dentist is there should be some courses on leadership, and there should be some business courses so that they can understand how to manage people, right? So we believe that all things can be solved through the management of people, the installation and implementation of solid processes, and then giving them the tools to do it. So in reference to reviews, first, it's a cultural shift. If somebody comes in and says, I feel great today, my teeth are amazing, thank you. We need to have a tablet in the office, in the waiting room, where someone can hand that tablet to the patient and say, hey, Susan, we really appreciate you saying that. By the way, would you mind clicking here and leaving us a review on our website? So there's simple technology. They go in, it's a 5-star rating, it's really easy to do, and then that populates to the website. So phase one is getting tons of good quality reviews on the website because you can control that conversation. And then your SEO team can optimize that page so when someone types in Dr. Hewitt reviews, we want that page to come up first. The second piece to that is how do we get those folks to leave a review on Google. And if you plant the seed and you have an appropriate talk track in the practice to say, hey, by the way, because as you know, you can't have multiple Google reviews from the same IP. So they can't all go in the same room and leave a review because that's going to be a flag and you can get in trouble with that. But what you can do is if you use some simple technology, that once that person fills out that in-office review for the website, is mentioned to them, hey, you know what would really help us? Is we're going to send you a simple link along with your Gmail address, and if you could just click and follow the link and cut and paste or leave that same review on Google, and you'll get about 20% of those folks who are willing to leave an in-office review because they understand the importance of that, whether it's Yelp or Google or other mediums. So, but again, it comes back to people, process, and tools. What's the process, right? Who's going to do it? What's the process? And then what tools can we give them to make it easy? And then, of course, it's consistency and frequency and rinse and repeat.